Today, we are going to continue learning about the impersonal pronoun it. Let's start by revising what we have learned so far about the impersonal pronoun it. In Unit 104, you learned that it is a very common word in English, and it has many uses. You learned how to use it to refer to things and animals. For example, this is my new car. Do you like it? And you also learned how to use it with times and dates. For example, what time is it? It's 5:20. What day is it today? It's Wednesday. It's the 15th of December. It's my birthday today. Today, we are going to look at other expressions with it. Let's continue by looking at how to use it with to take and to last. These two verbs can be combined with it to express the length of an action. Let's see a few examples with the verb to take and then an example with to last. It takes 2 hours. It doesn't take long. How long does it take by plane from Paris to London? How long does it take you to go to work? It takes me about 20 minutes. It lasts 1 hour and a half. Be careful. Do not mistake the verb to last for the adjective last. Look at these examples of the adjective last. The last in line. The last time. Now, let's look at the expression, it's time. This is a very useful expression in English. It can be used followed by a verb in the infinitive. It's time to go. It's time to buy a new car. It's time for us to talk. It's time for the children to go to bed. And it can also be used followed by a verb in the past to make suggestions or recommendations. It's time you bought a new watch. It's time we left. It's time he got his haircut. It's time I had a holiday. Now we'll look at it to refer to distances. Look at these examples of it to refer to distances. How far is it? How far is it from the airport to the city center? It isn't far. It's about 8 kilometers. Is it far away from your house? Yes, it's a long way from my house. We use the comparative form longer to refer to time and further to refer to distance. For example, how much longer is it to London? How much farther is it to London? Finally, let's look at it to talk about the weather. To talk about weather conditions, we use it with the verb to be and an adjective. For example, it's cold. It's warm. It's windy. It's sunny. It's foggy. It's cloudy. As we saw in Unit 37, it's also used with the present continuous. For example, it's raining. It's snowing.